your big thumb and rub it all around my little tip. Put the tree into me, be a turn me on. Your finger me. Put the tree into me, be a turn me on. Let your finger me. Feel so high, love it cocky but put it on standby. Now go rush the fuck for play post tonight. Play a wiggy like FIFA, happy like a winner.
Tell us no, I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no.
Guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha Grace. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today. As you guys can see by the title, today we do another hair review. You know how we do around these sides. I keep it real and whatever. So today I'm with no, let me not do this English. Let's not do this right now. Nadula hair. This company, now this is the first time we working with them. You guys are probably thinking, right, like this is a different company. Yes, this is Nadula hair. Natural, durable, luxurious. So yes, I said let me do something different today. As I said, I don't want this video to be too long, so I might be cutting out processes of me doing the hair, but you'll still see me do the hair. I'm just going to make the process a bit more quicker. I just want to quickly tell you the information about this hair, and yes sir. So yeah, as you guys know, most companies give you more than one wig cap. You get a wig cap, you got the hair, and there's seat, and you got the wig band. Now I'm looking at information. So this is Brazilian hair. This is a highlighted wig, and it is 24 inches if I'm correct. BODYWAVE 24 inches. Yes sir, baby. You guys know how we do around these sizes. We only do inches around here. I'm joking, but yeah, we love our inches, guys. There is. This is so weird. This is like proper highlights. I've been wanting to do highlights for a long time, so you guys can see the hair. It looks really nice. This is BODYWAVE. Really nice. Y'all can see. I'm gonna take this net off. I'm gonna make sure I slay this hair, guys. Don't wanna rush it because I don't want it to go wrong. This is definitely gonna be a summer look. I'm definitely doing this as a summer look. It's a frontal. You guys know I love my frontal. I'll be real. It's looking like it is a closure type of season as well. But you guys, y'all know how we do right here with the frontals and shit. But yeah guys, so it's 24 inches BODYWAVE, and it's highlighted hair by Nadula hair. I'm gonna get straight into this process. Before I get into this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys press the subscribe button down below, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn my post notifications on so you don't miss out my next video. And yeah, let's just get straight into this video. So yes, I'm gonna talk to you guys probably when I'm done installing the hair, just so this video is not really long. All the information and everything will be down below. Any questions, feel free to message me. And yeah, let's just get straight into this video.
Metro the producer.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can't lie, this is really cute. It's giving me, I don't know, but I feel like a new bitch. Like, that is, no. It pretty much basically did come pre-plucked, realistically speaking. Usually I would do like edges also over here, but I said let me just keep it cute and simple, whatever. Can't lie, I'm loving this look. I can't lie, this is a little bit of me, I didn't think highlights would suit me, but I feel like I've been told I can pull off quite a few hairstyles, so let me know down below if you agree with that. But I didn't know how I felt about that because quite a few people have told me that, but I think, yeah, from the hairstyles I've been doing, but I'm quite surprised. I didn't really think I'd actually look, it looks cute. I'm getting this cute, elegant, you know what I'm trying to say, but let me just relax. But yeah guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, it basically did come pre-plucked. The highlights are beautiful. You just need to make sure that when you're doing the hair, installing the hair, getting your hair installed, obviously the hairdresser can sort it out for you, but when you're doing it, you just need to make sure that you don't do it too much so that the body wave, the actual texture goes when you get it, because you obviously still get the texture looking like this. So pretty much this side I had a lot of hassle going on, but yeah, this is how it looks like this. But I can't lie, I like it's cute, but I'm liking this behind the ear thing, at least on one side. Both sides it looks cute as well. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. The hair length is 24 inches, Brazilian hair. It is highlight body wave by Nadula hair. Durable, luxurious. Y'all can see it's luxurious and whatever, even by the packaging. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to purchase this hair, the link to this hair exactly will be down below. If you want to see the vendor, I can't lie, I forgot to tell you guys the texture is really soft, and I can't lie, you guys see I didn't need to use anything. I didn't need to use a hot comb, I didn't need to redo the body wave. If I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I don't really need to do too much to the hair because it was already fine. That's what I'm saying, when you're doing the frontal and stuff, make sure you don't do too much with it because it loses the texture and you just have to redo it. But I just wanted to see how it naturally came, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull it off. Yeah guys, bear with me, I got new shit coming for y'all. Oh my god guys, I just filmed my first music video for my song and I'm scared and whatever. You guys are gonna see soon. I'm not gonna talk too tough, but it's gonna be out soon. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff loading. I am ghosting, you know, like, if you guys have not seen my other video when I done the cherry hair, make sure you guys go watch. I did explain to you guys why I've been ghosting and what's been going on and stuff like that, so make sure you guys go check it out. But yeah, so there's a lot of things going on, but I'm gonna make sure summertime I bring you guys banging content. But one more time, I just need to show you guys the hair one more time, because baby girlfriend, I ain't nothing playing right now. This hair is bomb, like it's bomb. It's just a little bit of me. But yeah guys, so I don't want to talk too much. I don't make this video long, but I'm just really admiring the hair. I didn't think it's gonna look this nice. But yeah guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know, things 10 or whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.